In this video, we're going to talk all about music notation and time in regards to how long or short notes last and so on. So, for example, most popular songs are counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 over and over and over and over and over again. I mean, some of them you might find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But let's just use the 4 beats for now, just for this example. And we'll take a deeper dive into all of this more when we get more into music theory later in other modules. But for now, I'm just telling you what you need to know to get started. So it's not going to be too complicated, kind of like an overview. So as you can see on the screen, we have different notes that have different values. So we have a quarter note right here, which is 1 beat long. So if we're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, a quarter note, since it's only 1 beat, if you have a bunch of quarter notes in a row, they're gonna fall on each beat. For example, if I was just gonna play one note over and over and over again with a bunch of quarter notes in a row like you see on the screen, it would just be like this. I'm just gonna pick one note. We're not gonna focus on what note should be played. We're focused more on time. So if I was gonna clap, for example, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But to better show you how long the notes actually last, because claps only last just a moment anyway, I'm gonna use notes as well. So quarter notes would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or if I was just going to play one note on the guitar, I'm just going to pick the first string for fun and just play a bunch of quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And even if the song was slower, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, or faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So those are quarter notes. The next one we have is a half note. Half notes last for 2 beats. So if I was going to clap it in the 4/4 timing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, because they each last for 2 beats. But the guitar will actually help me demonstrate a little bit better how those sound, because a note can ring longer than a clap. So here is a half note, a bunch of half notes in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The note lasts for those entire 2 beats. Now, as you can see, there is a whole note. And this is the last one we're going to go over right now. And a whole note is 4 beats long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, or with the guitar, just picking the same note, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, over and over and over again. It lasts the entire 4 beats. The main one to remember right now is the quarter note, the one that falls on every beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the note can change. For example, if you have a bunch of quarter notes, but the notes change, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It doesn't matter what the note is, it just lasts for 1 beat. We're going to be using the quarter notes first, and you're going to see in tabs, in guitar tabs. You can see on the screen how you'll see those in tabs, how you'll know, is this a quarter note or is this a whole note? How does this work? So we're starting with quarter notes, and as you can see in the tabs, we have 4 zeros in this, 4 zeros inside those bars, and then inside the next set of bars, there's another 4 zeros. Those bars are called measures. And inside each of those, since we are in 4/4 time, each measure can only equal 4 beats It cannot be any more than that or any less. A full measure, when you're in 4/4 time, which is 4 beats per measure, has to be 4 beats per measure. So we know if we see 4 zeros inside a measure, we're doing quarter notes. This is actually part of the first picking exercise we are going to be doing in the next module. So once we do that exercise, you'll get a better idea of how it all fits together. So for now, just know the differences between each one. Some notes we hold for 1 beat, some notes we hold for 2 beats, some notes we hold for 4 beats. We'll start with the quarter notes, the 1 beat, and then get into a little bit of the whole notes. But overall, that's all you need to know to really get started. There's more explanation about how all this works in each video, but this is just the introduction so you can kind of get an idea, so I'm not just throwing you in there going, hey, play this, and expecting you to know. So this is a great intro video to that so that you can better understand what we're doing throughout the class.